Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to your Mazda CX-5. We'll cover the simple steps for Bluetooth pairing, ensuring your device is ready to go. Then, we'll explore how to set up and enjoy both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for enhanced in-car functionality. Finally, I'll provide some helpful tips for troubleshooting any connection problems you might encounter, making your experience seamless and enjoyable. Connecting your phone via Bluetooth is straightforward. First, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Next, navigate to the Settings menu on your Mazda Connect display. Choose Devices and then Add New Device. Your Mazda CX-5 will then appear on your phone's Bluetooth list. Select it and confirm the pairing code displayed on both your phone and the car's screen to complete the connection. For Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, you'll need a quality USB cable. Plug one end into your phone and the other into the Mazda's USB port. Your phone may prompt you to grant certain permissions. Accept these to proceed. On the Mazda Connect screen, select the appropriate projection mode. Once connected, you can access your favorite navigation, music, and messaging apps directly through the car's display, enhancing your driving experience. If you're experiencing connection issues, don't worry, there are a few simple fixes. Try restarting both your phone and your Mazda CX-5 infotainment system. Sometimes, deleting previous Bluetooth pairings from both your phone and the car, then repairing, can resolve problems. Always check your USB cable for any damage if you're using CarPlay or Android Auto. Finally, ensure your phone's operating system is up to date for optimal compatibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.